Guys, I welcome you all to this video where I'll be showing you how to upload your YouTube short in a perfect way. Many of you might have been uploading your YouTube short in a wrong way, in which the thumbnail that is supposed to catch the attention of your subscriber doesn't show. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step required to upload YouTube short in a perfect way. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friend. Without further ado, let's get started. Now the first step is for you to upload the video using YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio, locate where you have this plus sign. Click on the plus sign and choose the video in which you want to upload. This is the video in which I want to upload. As you can see now, this is the thumbnail that shows that about the video. But one thing is that as this thumbnail show, it might not show to the audience, but I'm going to upload another thumbnail that's going to fit the desire in which I want, because I've designed the thumbnail on Photoshop. You can make use of Photoshop to design the thumbnail in 9:16, or you can make use of Canva to design the thumbnail. Now I want to give this video a title. Now let me give it a title. Sorry, the title: Forgotten Civilization. Now let me give it hashtag history facts civilization. No, I'm done with the title. Now the next thing is for you to click on related video. Click on related video. Let me choose one of the video that doesn't have a good number of views. Let me click on this one. Now you can, if you like, you can allow the comment, or you can decline by turn it off, but I'm going to allow comment just to have more engagement on my channel. The next thing is for you to click on upload, but in this video I want to click on visibility, in which I want to schedule this video so that the video can show tomorrow morning. Let me click on Wednesday 7:15. Now it's okay like this. The next thing is for you to click on upload shorts. It doesn't allow me to click on upload short because I'm recording through the screen, in which YouTube normally frown at clicking using a screen record while making use of the software. I'm going to pause this aspect. When I'm done with the upload, I'm going to continue with this video. As you can see now, the video is being uploaded, but one thing I want to show you is that just click on this three button here, click on and click on edit, in which you'll be given permission to upload. Click on this thumbnail and click on custom thumbnail. You can choose on the generated thumbnail on this three generated thumbnail, but just click on custom thumbnail, in which you'll be allowed to input your personal thumbnail. As you can see, this is the thumbnail in which I designed for this video: the mastery of the lost civilization. As you can see, this is a thumbnail which has been using before, but I'm going to make use of this one now. Click on it and click on done. Click on done. As you can see now, and click on save. As you can see, the thumbnail has changed. When the customer comes, one of my audience comes there and see the mastery of lost civilization is going to have the what does this video is all about. It will have the audacity to click on this video just to as a bit. Now as I save the video, let me show you how it's going to look. As you can see now, it has changed. Let me show you the short in which has been uploaded. As you can see now, they are just like a bait. This before I didn't know how to make use of this stuff before, in which I uploaded my video in the wrong way, but since I know how to make use of it trick, is the method in which I has been using now. If you find this video helpful, click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friend. I will be expecting your comments at the comment section so that I can know how you were able to go about your own, and I want you to ask questions so that I can guide you step by step how to do it in the next time. See you in the next video. Bye for now.